Hey everybody, my name is Robert. Thanks for coming to the channel. Today is actually a weird rainy day in SoCal, which is usually uncommon. But I am behind my 2022 Ford Maverick XLT hybrid because I'm going to change the reverse tail lamps. The reverse tail lamps are actually halogen, and I'm an LED fan. Ford decided to have some parts that were actually still halogen and some LED parts. Headlights are LED, rears are halogen. So I'm going to change these, get them a little bit brighter. I like LEDs. I'm going to show you which ones to get because there aren't that many in this type. So we'll be right back to talk about it. In the middle of raining, I will go ahead and just hold up and wait till it stops raining. Get into a garage or enclosed area if you can. But right now, again, it's not raining, so it is safe per se. Because a couple things you need, I got the lights, of course. So I got this from Amazon, as you can see here. It's weird. There's only one size. It's a weird size. It's called WT21W. It's a crazy thing. I don't know what's the difference between this and other bulbs that are in this size. I have other bulbs with these kind of plugs, but maybe there's a size difference, wattage difference. I don't know exactly, but I've been reading feedback from the forums and the webs saying that other ones just don't work right. So I'm going for these dudes. Again, I'll put the link in the description where to get it. Quick tool you can use. You can either use a Phillips screwdriver here or a socket. I'd rather use a socket. It has better grip because screwdrivers you tend to strip. So this is my reliable Motorvex socket set. You can also get this on Amazon, by the way. I'm gonna say it's not a 10 millimeter. It looks like a more of an 8. Let's see. 8, yeah. Let's see if the 7 fits. And I think these are SAE, so, or Ford, so you know, but it seems pretty tight. It's not going to strip with the 8, so we're going to go for the 8 here. Cool little socket set, by the way. Push it in the lock it so you can't lose it. Always left and loosey. Oh, this is the tail light. Pretty sure it is. Yep, it is. See how it's loose. Now be careful removing it. It might pop. I'm not sure. I've never messed with this stuff on this tail light. But be careful because you don't know it's gonna pop, scratch your car, scratch your paint. Okay. Nice. Take that off. It's easier. Show you what I did. So you had the 2 screws here, and then they're actually held over here. So you have to pull it in this almost 30, not 45 degree angle. And let me flip it here so you can see the little pointers that pop in. So that's how you remove it. 1, 2, yank it almost diagonally, not straight out, because you gotta be careful not to hit this area here. And I went ahead and disconnected this, so it's easier for me just to work on it here instead of working on it here and holding it. Yeah, I've never seen it have without these grips. It seems like it needs a fancy tool, but I'm just gonna go like this, lefty loosey, and get that seal. There's the bulb. So now this should be a straight pop out. Pop out. Some have LED polarity. So hopefully this one doesn't. Some are, so you have to check that. Alrighty, so that just snaps in right. Carefully stick that in. Just follow the grooves, how it fits. Nice and tight. They actually kind of have a similar pattern. Let's go over here so you can see it. So you want to match those holes. They're right there. Can you guys see? Let's go here. You see it? Match those holes. That pops in. So you push that here, and that'll just automatically pop in there. What I want to do is check the reverse lights, make sure they work. So let's do this real quick. Let's make sure that reverse works. Alright guys, can you tell me it worked or not? I can't see the video. I'll be right back. Alright, cool. It actually did work. So now I'm just going to button this up on this side. Always do it by hand first. Stick it in there. Nice feed. And then if I wanted to, actually use an extension, get a little more distance. Flip this out so it goes right. And now I have a little more room. They're plastic, so you really don't want to strip it out too much. I think that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. You can see this is a huge improvement. LED is always a winner versus halogen. It turns on faster, it's brighter usually, it doesn't die as fast. There are some nuances that you have to worry about. Turn signals, for example, can hyperflash because of resistance issues. The computer thinks, hey, something's wrong with this load because LEDs run more efficiently than halogens. So that's the reason why I didn't put turn signals in yet. I'm looking for some that hopefully I don't need to put a resistor. I don't like adding more things load, and you can see how much water gets in the back of the tail light. So the less exposure to elements, the better, right? So if you're interested in these items, check out my link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Post your comments below. More Maverick videos coming soon. Peace out, guys.